Hello students, class 9. Let's start our English study. Today is chapter 11, the last chapter from book Beehive. If I Were You by Douglas James. Okay. If I Were You, it is the chapter of a person and a intruder. Person's name was Gerard. Means an intruder want to become Gerard, and he want because he was appearing like him, and he want to taken his place in this chapter. So he have came, he want to kill him Gerard and want to become Gerard himself. Okay, it is the overall story of this because that intruder was criminal and having a lot of cases, so he want to get rid of those cases, and he want to take the means every personality and character of Gerard in this chapter. Okay, so he want to become Gerard. If I were you, let's start the chapter. you know the chapter is started from the Gerard house. Okay, Gerard lived there alone in lonely in a house, and cottage. Their intruder came, and intruder was a criminal entered in his house. That time Gerard was talking by phone to any person, and he was talking about anything else. Then intruder came and entered there in Gerard house. As the curtain rises, means Gerard was talking by phone and he was calling anyone. And just then, means he was get ready with his bag. Then a person came inside. Intruder entered his house silently. Intruder have revolver, and he was a criminal and having a murder case, and police was also after him, and he want to kill Gerard and impersonate himself. Okay, means he want to roll the Gerard after killing him. Gerard having a car, intruder was knowing, and that car was usable, means he was knowing about it. And then means he want to shoot Gerard when Gerard was talking by phone any person. Okay, Gerard was also very wise person, and when means intruder wants to talk to Gerard and wants to know about him, wants to know about his property, about his background, then you know means intruder had asked several questions to Gerard. But Gerard was so wise and talkative person. He wants to engage intruder in his talking, and in his long conversation he was discussed fully, and he was knowing what is the plan of intruder, and means Gerard was knowing about it. And then Gerard has engaged him in his long talking about foolishly things. Okay, then means when intruder came on point, then Gerard have told intruder he was also criminal and police was also after him, and he was means talking to anyone for escaping himself, and he have told that police will come anytime, police will reach anytime at same place, so means them should be hide themselves, they both should be hide themselves. मीन्स तब जिराड ने बताया कि मैं भी जो है क्रिमिनल हूँ और मुझे भी पुलिस ढूंढ रही है, और किसी भी टाइम पुलिस यहाँ पर आ सकती है, तो हम दोनों को पकड़ लेगी. मीन्स इन दिस टाइम वी हैव टू नीड फॉर इस्केपिंग आवर सेल्फ. इस समय हमें छिपने की जरूरत है, बचने की जरूरत है. सो मीन्स जिराड वॉज सो वाइज पर्सन, वाइजर मैन, and he went into a room, and there means fortunately that intruder also went for hiding himself. Then means very cleverly, then there means Gerard have push him inside the room and push intruder into a cupboard. एक अलमारी थी वहां पे और उसने इंट्रूडर को धक्का देकर उसी अलमारी में अंदर कर दिया एंड लॉक दैट कपबोर्ड, और उस अलमारी को लॉक कर दिया. ओके, इन दिस वे ही हैव shows his cleverness. Gerard was a writer. He was searching any story for the next play. Then, when he have locked the intruder inside the cupboard, then after that he had means called his friend means for the sending the sergeant means उसने अपने फ्रेंड को कॉल किया और पुलिस भेजने के लिए कहा. Because he have means captured a criminal in his cupboard. Then means in this way he have also talked by phone with his friend that he got a very nice story for his next play. Means whatever incident happened with him with the intruder, he want to write that amusing story. Okay, the sum up of this chapter is that presence of mind we should use. Means if anyone come and you have no time for means handling the situation, you should think deeply what you should do. And in this way, Gerard have used his presence of mind, and he also guessed about the intruder, what is the plan of intruder, and then he had made just sudden a story, an incident, and in this way he become succeed to capture that criminal, and in this way he had helped the police also, and after that he got a story for his next play. Okay, that's all.